guys, welcome back to my channel, another video. So today we will be showcasing and unboxing the remainder of the first set of PR packages that I've received. So as I said before in the previous video, I'm not sure what's here. So I am just open it and we'll discover together. So but I know that's supplement. So let's get into it. All right. So let's open this first. I know it's a pill, but what pill it is, I don't know. Okay. So the first thing here is a probiotic for women by Doctor's Recipe. So it has in 60 veggie capsules and it's 2 capsules daily, right? So it has in all the probiotic blend, cranberry extract, and also a fiber blend. So yeah, using more content on this on my TikTok and or Instagram. What is in this now? Let's save this on. Okay. Just rest that down here. So what is this? Ooh, this looks so cool. It's with the far today, come at try. But this is so jelly and nice. Oh, it's a gel. It's a aloe from Aloderma. It's a aloe flower essence gel. What do you do with it? Where do you put it? Let me see. It has in mushroom, hibiscus flower, buckthorn, purple cone flower, and some other stuff. Say pinch. Oh, it go on the skin. Okay. So it's supposed to help defy the visible signs of it. Sorry guys, it's late. I'm on sleep. So the mistake, I do apologize. But yeah. Also defies the visible signs of aging and leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and elastic. Oh, you know, swear. Me like what it look though. It look very fancy. Very fancy. So you apply evenly to the skin and allow it to absorb. And you can also apply it to the face. Apply a thin layer to the skin or a thick layer and leave one as mask. Or apply a thick layer as a leave-on mask. So it says here that it's suitable for all skin types. I have sensitive skin, so I will test this theory and let you guys know. What is this now? Ooh, so this is the Core Vital Snail Mucin Eye Gel Patch. So it promotes a rejuvenated look and feel around the eye with snail mucin. And this is by Nerive. So let me show you. Oh, I thought it was like patches. So this is it. It comes with an applicator. Comes the applicator as well. Yeah. I shall repeat. Detailed videos of this will be on TikTok for each of them. What's this now? Let's see what's in this. Sure, open now. Okay. We get some stuff. Oh man, the box crushed. The box is crushed. Alright, so I've got some stuff from Vital Natural. So this is the turmeric soap. I tend to use turmeric soap on my face. So firstly, I'll probably just once. So I apply it once in the morning on my face. And then I apply my Cetaphil cleanser twice after that. Because I think the turmeric tends to be probably dries the skin. So I apply the Cetaphil cleanser after that. And yeah, that is my routine. So this is a turmeric soap, and it's 2 soap come in it based on the what's on the box, and also a foaming net. Alright, so this crush. So this is the turmeric and kojic acid exfoliating cleansing pads. Comes in a pack of 30. Oh, this see this here. It comes in a pack of 30, right? The box is really crushed. Let me see. So slightly wet desired area of the body and gently rub in a circular motion. Let sit for a minute and then rinse off. After cleansing face, use a serum or moisturizer. Most of the trying to say. They suggest using it once daily, in the morning or at night. I would say to use it at night. In the morning, you can probably use it with sunscreen, right? And then now this is the turmeric body scrub. Ooh, okay. Turmeric body scrub. The dates are good. So apply to wet skin and gently massage in a circular motion, focusing on the rough areas. You rinse thoroughly and pat dry. They said to use it regularly. Okay, so everything here will be listed down below in description box, right? And then no, these are the wicked box. Imagine one day they get something like this. I look on the big old box. This, hear that? One something in the box. Look on the size of the box. Look at the size of the box. You know, so they're wicked and stay bad. No, sir. Wicked little people. No, man. It's like them say, none of my envelope. Just fling in the box. Just fling in the box, man. Such a big watch the box like this. And you know, the funny thing is, them same one. I'm Vital. So you can just put the 4 things on the box. When I feel better, you know, put the 4 little things on the same in the big old box. Anyways, so this is the kojic acid turmeric soap. So it's a dark spot remover. 2 soaps come in it, right? Have a lot of stuff in it. Kojic, turmeric, vitamin C, retinol, collagen, vitamin E, shea butter, castile olive oil. And the word has a vitamin, hyaluronic acid. So this is a combination, and this is just pure turmeric. So I use a version of this already, which is why I opted for it. So I am very excited to use these because I think it does brighten the skin, and it's natural, right? It's a natural thing. So yeah, sorry about that. So I'm just going to throw these in the big old box, make use of the big old box. until I discard it, so I can get space for this big box. So I think, hold on, oh boy, I think this big box is what I ordered, right? So should be, let us see. All right, how are this? What a wicked little people, I really this alone about the $50. Well, it's supposed to can work. So I'm going to do the bohemian, the boho hair thing. I know the curly thing them always use. There's money for this. There's money for this. And look on the one little pack. Then try look use fine, then try use fine and make it work. Because I never expected for this a little. It's so expensive money. Let's have a little something here. Anyways, it's for my birthday hairdo. Yeah, so you guys will see a vlog about that. My vacation, birthday-cation. Yeah. All right. I also purchased this. It's for a brand. I got it discounted. Got it discounted, so I'm supposed to showcase it, right? So as I said before numerous of times, check me on TikTok or Instagram or Instagram. I'm going to say and Instagram. So I'm going to just showcase this thing. I don't know why the one down there. So anyways, check me out. Me try this and tell you how it look. And if it actually tint the lips and plump the lips as it claimed to say. So now this is what I was a bit excited about per se. I really do hope it works as it should. So this is a multifunction trolley, folding trolley. Is it a little bit? So I have a duffel bag, right? I have a nice duffel bag that I use for carry-on. It's very, I think maybe packed right now too, because I'm going somewhere. So it holds way more than my smallest suitcase, right? But sometimes because I have a lot of stuff in it kind of heavy on my shoulder or my hand because it don't have any wheels, right? So I saw this. I don't know how I came across it. I don't know if it's TikTok, Instagram, I don't know. But basically, see here? Basically, you can put it on this and it's roll it like a suitcase per se. So it comes with this to keep it secure. And let me show you. You have different levels. So see here? Like a regular suitcase. So I'm gonna strap the bag on, or I can put the bag over this. I can do that as well because the bag has a part to put over the suitcase, right? So I can do that. Come on, don't stuck on me. Yeah, I can do that and roll it, so it reduces the pressure off of me lifting or just carrying her, especially if I have a long layover. I have it a tug along. We can't have it in the bathroom. Rest me my personal backpack on it. So I'm gonna have to press a little back. It's a little bit, right? So when you can fold it right down, right, and you just chop it up back. So I will be trying it out soon. Where was this? Remember where this was? I don't remember where this was. I'll be trying it out very soon. You'll probably see it in the travel vlog, right? The part me I try get now, like when me ready for actually pull it down, put in the overhead bin, what me do? That part I may not to get yet, unless me just tie it, strap it around the strap, around this, me don't know. So I'm just putting the overhead bin. The part I may not to figure out just yet. Are it's small, so I can probably put it on the backpack. Right? And then when we but the dirt, I forgot probably get one little bag like the sheen bag there and keep in the knapsack or wherever I plan to keep it and put it in that before I put it in my bag. Cause you know so the airport not clean, floor not clean. So it's very lightweight. And yes, so I'm looking forward to use this. I'm looking forward to try this, and I'm looking forward to do content for the other videos. But we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I beg, please subscribe. As you can see, I'm now working with more brands. So the more followers, more subscribers, I can get more stuff to show you, more valuable stuff. And with that being said, please let me know in the comment section. Comment down below what else you'd like me to review. I may just have access to get it to show you before you make that purchase, right? So yeah. Please follow me on all socials at Petals Discovery on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, because I'll be doing individual videos for these products. And it's a lot of products. So I have my work cut out for me. I need to just take a pause because I have my work cut out for me and each of them have a deadline. Right? So, but the good thing about it, some of them is not so close. Like, you know, so close, the deadline is so close. So I might just check what is near to the end date for the campaign and do those first and then pace myself going forward. So yeah, thank you always for your continuous support. If you just one like or you just glimpse it, it do count, and I thank you. I'm trying to build the watch hours, I'm trying to build the subscribers, and just for you to subscribe alone, I am grateful, right? So do take care and catch me back in the next video very soon. I have some more stuff coming in, more of these peer packages coming in. So when those arrive, we'll see each other, and I may have to upload twice weekly. I've been saying I'm probably, but I may have to, because the videos are packing up on me now and I need them to be out. So I'm from little phone storage. So yeah, take care. Bye.